PourgouriI Pilafi, a main dish from Cyprus. Serves 2. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Heat the oil in a heavy-based casserole and sauté the onion for a couple of minutes until it softens but not brown. Step 2. Stir in the vermicelli, breaking it with your hands. Continue to fry with the onion for a couple of minutes until it begins to absorb the oil. Step 3. Rinse the pourgouri under the cold tap, then add to the casserole. Step 4. Add the stock and seasoning. Cover and simmer gently for 8 to 10 minutes or until all the stock is absorbed. Leave the pilafi to sit for 10 minutes before serving it. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.